What's up, guys? We are back with another overnight from Japan. As you can see, I've been pretty busy with the Japanese auction sites, so let's get started right away. For those of you that are new, this is Vintage Kicks Gallery. Alright guys, for those of you that are unfamiliar, Overnight from Japan is me unboxing my previous auction finds from Japan. So some of this stuff has been quarantined for a long time. I can't even remember what's in most of these. So we're going to take a look together and hopefully we've got some good stuff. Alright, this is the first one. I'm guessing there's a pair of shoes in here because this one we have a little bit of everything. But let's take a look. Packaged well, which is rare coming out of Japan. Which we'll see on some of the other items. All right, I can see already, looks like we've got some Dunks. And check them out, got some lows. Get this out of the way. Look how nice these are packaged. That is so nice from Japan. Rarely see that. So we got the laces separated, and these are going to be a fun restoration project. Soles are not hardened. That's always something you got to look out for on this particular pair. Let's check them out together. Whew, these are nice. All right, my size as well. Looks like we have yeah, they are my size. So these will come back to life, guys. I'm going to completely restore them and wear them. The hardest part for these is going to be matching up the collar area, but this is just going to be some crease removal. We're going to deoxidize the soles, and of course, we're going to remove those wrinkles. So not a bad start. All right, next in line, not packaged very well. So this says, good. My favorite word is good. Believe. My favorite word is believe. Smile. My favorite word is smile. So it's an interesting one. Ooh, all right, we've got some more Dunks. These have been in quarantine, guys, for 2 months at least. I bought these so long ago, I almost forgot about them. So these are 02, 03. I'm sure you guys will know Viotex, and I believe these are going to be size 11, which means I can fit them. Nope, 10 and a half, even better. So guys, these may look beat right now, but trust me, I've got a number of pairs of these and they come back to life. We're gonna do a restoration video on how to address the suede on here because you have to be pretty careful. But at the same time, there is a product called Suede Renew by Angelus that's really gonna bring these back to life. So really all they need is steam the shape back in. We're gonna get them cleaned up really well, and then we'll treat that suede, and trust me, they're gonna be nice. So check them out. Look at those. Soles are great. All right, I'm pumped about these. All right, moving right along. Looks like we've got some clothing and maybe a book or a magazine here. These definitely can't be shoes, so let's open these all up together. Ooh, nice. Check it out, guys. 1985/86 Wings tee. Look at that fading on it. Beautiful blue tag. Nice. So this is actually going to, I don't know. I may hang these up. I'm trying to collect all of them. Some of them are going to be worn, and then other ones are just going to be for the wall. This isn't my size, but I already have this The one I have is in much better condition. This is almost like a gray at this point. So we'll wear them both maybe. Blue tag. Nice. All right, let's move right along here. Again, interesting packaging. I think this might be a duplicate of this. So let's take a look. I don't want to spoil it for you guys, but and yes, it is, only it is the kids version. So we have a kids wings tee, again, 85-86. This is in much better condition color-wise. There's no fading on it. Well, there's a little bit of fading, but again, really nice. This is a gift, and we're gonna do a little matchy-matchy. All right, pretty sure this is gonna be a magazine or a book. I am collecting more of these Japanese magazines and sneaker books for a upcoming project, which can't let you in on the secret yet, but it's gonna be fun. Oh yeah. The Nike Chronicles, check this out. So this is actually, I wanna say, let's see, there's a date on here. I've had this before and it was not, it was a long time ago. So this is not up to date by any means, but it is a pretty dope magazine slash book. Let's open it up. And there's two of these too. So there's a more recent one as well. Let's see. Oh yeah. Looks like we go through the 70s and 80s in here. I want to see how far. Yeah, this is actually the exact one that I did have. So move into the blazers. This has almost all the clothing. It's not a comprehensive list, but it's a good guide. Guys, if you see these pop up cheap, I recommend you buy them because they're a good reference guide. And you'll see stuff in here that you really never see pop up for sale. So it's a nice little guide to have, and they're fun. Look at that. Even shows the skates. All right. So some of these are going to be used for a project. All I'll tell you is that the ones that are used for the project, they're all going to be destroyed. So, all right, let's move into the next one. Interesting packaging once again. So looks like this is actually a Japan Post flat rater. Try not to break what's inside here and cut it. Gentle. Ooh, I can see already. These were purchased a really long time ago and they must have been sitting in quarantine. But we have some Vandal Supremes. Check them out. Need a little shape restoration in here, but all in all, these are the retros, and let's see, these are, I think these are the 08, 09 ones. So they're fully wearable. The problem with the 85s and these when you wear them is this material tends to crack up and it really shows the crease lines in black. So these will be restored and worn, just kind of a fun shoe. I like the way that the midsole is already oxidized on them. These are cool, guys. Dirt cheap too. I think you can pick these up for about 50 bucks now, used of course. But even the 85s of these, really affordable. And I like the way they maintain the fat shoelaces. These are just cool all the way around. As usual, guys, I saved the best for last. These are for the homie. They're going to be an awesome restoration project. I'm excited. Some of you might know what's in them already, but about a pair of 85 Kentucky 1s. Super rare. These are going to be a full-on restoration, and I'm going to make these look incredible, guys. So the only downside of these is the soles are pretty hardened from the description. I'll do my best to soften them up, but they may be a shelf piece. I'm not really sure. Again, they're for a homie, and I'm gonna do everything I can to really make these look like new and impress the shit out of him. So, nice. Kentucky 1s right now in 85, absolutely impossible to find. The prices have shot through the roof. And these have actually been for sale for quite a long time. So after a little bit of the seller, I guess, losing patience, they finally dropped the price a bit, and we scooped these up. Again, they're for a homie. It's gonna be a restoration that really will be a fun one. Probably a 3-parter because there's a lot to do to these. So, nice. Well guys, that's gonna do it for this overnight in Japan, but let's check out what we got and recap everything. We got 2 1985 Wings logo t-shirts. We got some 02-03 Viotech Dunks. We got some Vandal Supremes. We got some 99 Dunk Lows, and we got the Grail 1985 Kentucky 1s. Plus this pretty cool magazine / book. Let me know if you guys have any questions. These were a mix coming from Yahoo Auctions Japan, Mercari.jp, and I think that's it. But again, a lot of this stuff has been quarantined for a long time because Japan Post has not been running. I'm excited. We've got plenty of restorations on deck now, but I want to know, what would you like to see first? Would you like to see these Viotech Dunks or the 85 Kentuckys? We'll put a poll up. Let me know what you think. See you guys next time.